Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Aji do moi dry mushroom, two types of dry mushroom banabo de recipe. I'll show my recipe how I cook in my own style. So this is the jungle seasonal mushroom. Aro itu pi khuri de thaige. So yati itu mushroom de hali bole ingredients to itu kana se. 1 tomato, 1 potato, 3 green chili, onion, Axone, and raja marja. See how many raja marja is there? 4. And my favorite machinga gudi. These are the ingredients to. This is coconut cooking oil. Hello, phali dibo. Mushroom to soak kuri ase. See. So before that, let me cook first this one. I'll fry this one. Only chili powder and turmeric powder. That's it. Potato, Axone, king chili. This is a red mushroom. Alright. Share the mushroom, right? Too much. Stop with the mushroom. Why I put potato? Because gravy should be thick. Gravy kanina itu hen guru. So there. So alu to smash kuro share. This is potato smash to make the gravy thick. Mula sabji to be shimi tawla ko de. I know my sabji will be A1, A1. Wow, with Axone flavor. Ah, wow. Last ingredients to. Ito mo tingnan ko dito hali wala not now. Last ingredients hali ase, tingnan ko di, bihin ko siya. Wow, my curry is so tasty by smelling also. Flavor is super. Wow. So that's it. My curry is done. See you in lunchtime. Curry, egg fry, and egg boil, and vegetable boil. So let's start. Really so tasty. Oh, sorry. My water. Stone body. It made by stone, no? Called stone body. Ito. Ya tira katubi, si tanda eh. So cool. Super. Wow. Guys, please try this recipe once. You will appreciate me. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.